Moretiro na isip Chief Executive Officer sa Kapuso Network si Atty. Felipe Gozon ug Mopuli kaniya si Gilberto Duavit Jr. Gipahibaw kana ni Atty. Gozon Atol sa iyang adlaw natawhan. Ano ang report?
Ang GMA Network giila karon isip nag-una, labing dako mas gisaligan ug most awarded multimedia network sa nasod. Nahimo kining posible ubos ni GMA Chairman and CEO Atty. Felipe L. Gozon. Atol sa pagsaulog sa ika-84th ka adlaw natawhan, nagkatapok ang mga kabanay, higala o katrabaho ni Gozon. Gi-anunsyo ni Gozon human ang kapinduha ka dekada nga moretiro na siya isip Chief Executive Officer sa GMA Network.
The GMA Board of Directors has approved my retirement as Chief Executive Officer effective December 31, 2023. But I will still continue as Chairman Advisor and Chairman of the Programming Committee.
Mulingkod isip bag-ong CEO sa Kapuso Network ang kasamtangang GMA President ug Chief Operating Officer nga si Gilberto Duavit Jr. Mulingkod usab isip bag-ong Executive Committee Chairman si Joel Marcelo Jimenez. Sa speech ni Gozon, gipasalamatan niya ang Ginoo sa mga grasya nga iyang nadawat, ilabi na siyang asawa nga si Tessie Gozon.
I particularly thank the Lord for Tessie, a good wife given to me by God, who, after going steady with me for 11 years and being married with me for 54 years and 6 months, I can truly say is the love of my life.
Sa birthday toast nga gipangunahan sa iyang anak nga si Atty. Felipe Gozon, gisaluduhan o gidaig niya ang iyang amahan.
At the workplace, FLG is well known for being a strict chairman and chief executive who demands perfection. Having him as a boss can be quite intimidating and extremely rewarding. There is, however, one trait that stands out with my dad, and that is integrity.
Kauban si Clans Gabutin, Mark Regia Abelia. Balitang, Bisdak.